So we request the first participant, that is the code is ENEST131. So kindly proceed your presentation.
Good evening, sir. Good evening to all our respected teachers present here. I am Karnika Tiwari, student of Uttar Pradesh University of Medical Sciences, SAFAI. I am here to present my e-poster on the topic Black Fungus, the Pitch of Darkness. The pitch of darkness here indicates the effect of black fungus on patient. That is, it affects the affected area. It turns the affected area black. You all must be thinking, what is black fungus? So, black fungus is also known as Mucormycosis. It belongs to the kingdom fungi and family Zygomycetes. It is an opportunistic fungi and it grows in soil and it is also present in air. Uh, if left untreated, it is one of the deadliest diseases present. In humans, it mainly affects the rhinocerebral region, the pulmonary region or the lungs part, and the gastrointestinal region, and has various symptoms if it gets affected and if it affects the body. For the symptoms, there are many symptoms for it, and uh, it propagates through blood in our body, and it is very much found in soil and air, and it grows on the dead and decomposed matter like dead leaves and dead plants. The symptom of black fungus are like when it affects the rhinocerebral region, it firstly causes the it turns the affected area black. Secondly, it causes one-sided headache, and it causes swelling. It causes pain in the face and numbness, and there will be problem in swallowing the food and etc. When it affects the lungs region and the pulmonary region, there will be nasal congestion, and there will be cough and fever and chest pain. These are the symptoms for the intestine pulmonary black fungus affected area. And for the gastrointestinal region, diarrhea and constipation are the symptoms. All of you must be thinking that we all might get infected from the black fungus. So the answer is yes. We all might get infected from the black fungus, but there are some patients and there are some people who might get infected from the black fungus, and their chances of getting affected is very high from the normal healthy person. There are some people's like black fungus is making news and headlines in these days, as it is affecting the recovered corona patient, as the immunity in corona patient after recovery is very low, so they are opportunistic fungi and they are attacking the corona patient. So number one, corona patient, they are highly affected by the black fungus. Secondly, they affect the people with diabetes and people with high glucose intake. Third, it affects the people with high steroids intake, and there are many people who take steroids unsupervised. It can also affect them. Fourthly, it affects the people with high iron content in their body. um, and black fungus is mainly found in people with who have undergone the surgery, like people with cancer or people with organ transplant, people with stem cells transplant, etc. People who have cuts and burns in their arms or in any body parts, when they come in contact with soil or contaminated air, they might get contaminated with the black fungus. There are people who do not keep oral hygiene and do not maintain the sanity or sanitation around their environment. They might get infected by the black fungus. There are one special case like a neutropenic patient who have low white blood cells count might get affected by the black fungus. you all must be thinking whether black fungus is communicable disease or not, whether a person sitting beside you might get affected, so whether you will get affected or not. So the answer to this question is no. Black fungus is not a communicable disease. If two person is sitting in a room, and if one person is affected by the black fungus, the other person will not get affected by the black fungus if he sneezes or does something, until and unless he himself is not until and unless he is not one of the patient who I've mentioned above. Like if he will be diabetic or corticosteroids patient, then he might get affected. There are many ways of treatment, many ways of knowing that a person is affected by the black fungus or not. So then first, how can we predict that a person is the black fungus affected or not? Firstly, we can do the physical examination. Second, we can see the symptom by seeing can see whether he has affected by the black fungus. Thirdly, we can do the CT scan of lungs and all the areas affected, and we can know the if he is affected or not. Thirdly, we can do the we can collect the sputum and check it through that if a person is affected. Fourthly, we can do the histopathological studies by taking biopsy. There are many treatment also. There are many treatment present of black fungus. That is, we can firstly use antifungal drug, that is amphotericin B, and there are many drugs present in the market right now. For corona positive patient who have just recovered from the COVID-19, they should try to stay inside the house. They should try to maintain healthy diet, healthy medication, exercise, yoga. This will keep them to maintain their immunity. And for other patients, they can like for corticosteroids patient who take who take unsupervised steroids should stop taking steroids, and diabetic patients should control their glucose intake, and for the person who have cut and burns, they should try to wear full sleeves dress so that they don't get contaminated by the soil or air, etc. And there are many companies like Bharat Biotech and Cipla who are producing antibacterial drugs, and they're producing it at a very high amount. But the government has decided to uh, give their formulas to different other companies so that the production of antifungal drug could be increased to treat the black fungus. At last, I would like to say that prevention is better than cure. If we can protect ourselves by just doing the prevention, so then it is better than then it is better than taking the medication which is affecting our body itself. Thank you, sir.
Good evening to all. Now the session open for questions.
Okay. Shall I start, madam?
Start, sir, no problem.
Okay. Your presentation was very nice. I have few questions. So, what is the prevalence rate in India of this disease?
Sir, sorry, sir, I didn't hear the question.
What is the prevalence rate in India?
So it is firstly it was firstly is people get affected by the black fungus, but not
No,
at
I
that
am asking prevalence rate.
The prevalence rate, I don't know.
Okay, what is the mortality rate of this disease? You can say about something about the epidemiology of that particular disease.
So I think 7% was the statistics which I've studied while I was doing the research. I was studying I think that it is 7%.
Okay. And one more thing, what is the you said some disease caused this like cancer or some other immunosuppressant people will affected this black fungus. So why?
Yes,
What
sir.
is the now that COVID is more? What is that? It is related to that. So what is the reason behind that? What is the relationship between the COVID and black fungus?
So, after recovering from COVID patient, actually those patients who have low immunity, who have who have like a corticosteroids patient who take corticosteroids on a daily basis have low immunity because corticosteroids uh, uh, is given to the patient who generally have autoimmune disorders or something like that, just like rheumatoid arthritis and gout. So due to that, the immunity of that patient is very low that it can be affected by any fungi or any bacteria. But nowadays, black fungus is becoming ubiquitous and it is spreading now very fastly in India.
Okay. And one more question. We are
Yes,
using
sir.
amphotericin B is the
Yes, sir.
drug of choice of that particular disease. So, what is the drawback of the amphotericin B? Again, that drug will cause some side effects and all.
Yes, sir.
So, what is
The drawback of amphotericin B is, sir, diarrhea and constipation. Diarrhea, it causes mainly diarrhea and and so it causes diarrhea and nausea and vomiting are the basic
what is the
basic.
major drawback? I am saying it is most of the drug having this diarrhea, nausea, vomiting. What is the major drawback of that? I think hypoxia is one of the major drawback. Okay, hypoxia is one of the major drawback, and hypotension is also sometimes it may be increase the BP or decrease the BP. That is also one of the thing. So this problem, the hypoxia will come again. That is the problem. COVID
Yes.
patients already is affected from the lung problem and all. So that is the major problem. So what is the alternate approach of that? If amphotericin B is cause side effects, what is that?
The poconazole is oftenly used.
So now what is the another drugs used for the treatment other than amphotericin B?
The poconazole.
Fluconazole.
Fluconazole, yes, it can be used, but it is not widely used as compared to amphotericin and poconazole.
So what is that route of administration of this amphotericin B?
Totally.
Okay, then carry on.
Any other
Khalid sir?
questions from other colleagues?
Sir,
So
any
please,
other questions from?
Okay, Kamika, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You have really selected a good topic and tried to present the things in good way. Can you comment on the causes of this black fungus?
So the causes of black fungus is unhygienic conditions. Sir, it is mainly present in soil and air. So if a person is living in an unhygienic condition and is not keeping the personal hygiene, may get affected by the black fungus. And the people with low immunity and people with low immunity and high glucose might get affected by the black fungus.
So this what statement you have given is right with the case of black fungus or any other fungal infection you are talking?
So it can be causes of many other bacterial or fungal function, fungal infection. So
Okay.
if the immunity is low, then there are many other microbes which can invade into our body and can cause other infection and other things.
Okay, and it is very much clear that if the person is suffering from this fungus or fungal infection, if he used to take the sugar, then that get exaggerate, right?
Yes, sir.
How one can control this in the COVID patient? All the COVID patient probably having the high sugar. After taking the remdesivir, they shoot up the sugar. So how to control it in that particular patient? You are talking about only the COVID person here. So
Yes, sir.
if it is so, then how to deal it with?
So firstly, COVID patient should stay in indoors. Secondly, they should start taking they should start taking healthy diet. Like they should decrease their glucose amount in their diet. They should say a healthy diet. They should start exercising. They should start doing yoga and meditation, which will help them to decrease their glucose content in their body. Exercise is very important if they want to do it like naturally, not by taking medicine. There are many medicines which can cause which should decrease their glucose level, but if they want to do it naturally, they can try for yoga and exercise.
Okay, Kamika, this is more my side. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Any other questions from judges?
Yes. Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. One simple question I would like to ask. That is very nice presentation. That whatever the mucormycosis is there, whether and second whether it is the condition pathogenesis is there. So that will be only for corona patient or maybe non-corona as well.
So it is many patient can be affected. Also, corona patient affected by black fungus because they have low immunity. But there are many people who can get affected by the black fungus, like people who are not keeping the hygienic condition. People who do not have oral hygiene may get affected by black fungus very immediately, and there are many patients who get affected by. This is not only to the COVID patient. This black fungus can affect many peoples and different type of peoples. This is nowadays making headlines in the news just because it is affecting COVID patient, and it is one of the deadliest diseases if left untreated. This is the point. Like it is nowadays, it can affect any person, but it is not communicable disease.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Judges.